What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses Palette and Gardening Edition. Yes, it's your boy Rickey Jones Jr. and I am back for yet another awesome, amazing weekend of fun videos, okay? And in this video, we will be planting both arugula and lettuce in my raised bed as well as in my 5-gallon buckets, okay? I'm gonna use some arugula 5-gallon bucket, some of the lettuce in 5-gallon buckets, okay? And the method in which I'm going to use is some square foot gardening, okay? So I do know for every foot, you can plant both 4 of lettuce, 4 of arugula. So I believe I have 3 boxes that I'm able to work with. So I'll be able to plant a total of 12 plants, okay? So 12 will go in the raised beds, and then the others will go in the buckets, and then I'll save the other ones if any of my friends in the local area will be wanting some. I will have them. They're ready to go and grow, so make yourself available, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and do some gardening. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 With the square foot gardening method, I have, some sections, 3 sections that I get to work with. I had a sweet candy cane pepper in this area, which did not work out. So, hey, I'm gonna fill the space in with something that will benefit the family, okay? And so let's go ahead and put some lettuce over here, arugula, and then I'll mix it at the end. Man, I wish I did not mix in all of my lettuce, or excuse me, my leaves and things all in this, but hey, it's all good. That is what we're working with. So let's go ahead and plant. I'm gonna make 4 holes in a section. Let's go ahead and get the lettuce out. And so I knew it was ready because my lettuce is clearly ready. But more than anything, things that you look for is that your roots are coming out of the bottom. I'm squeezing out 4 little pods. Your roots are coming out the bottom, and also there's like 2 systems or 2 leaf systems growing from your seeds, okay? So 1, 2, 3, thought I had 4. Here's the 4th one, boom. All right, so let's go ahead and plant it. It is in the evening, which is fine as well. You just don't want to do it midday. So I'll just cover it back like so. Second hole, cover it in like so, and then I'll water. I'm not going to use the water hole to water it. I want less pressure because it is, going into its new system. So I don't want to overdo it. I do want to do it enough, and so boom. Just like that, we have our first inch or 1/4 inch scenario situated. So now I'm gonna do some arugula in the middle for my next square inch right here block. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get out 4 blocks. Again, it is 4 arugula plants per square inch. So let's go ahead and pop that in. Pop it in straight from the seedling tray. You will be a-okay. Go ahead and get this out. Boom. Go ahead and pop that in. Make sure it gets the adequate amount of soil around it. Boom. Some good cocoa core. Don't want to miss out on that. All right, so let me then get the next hole ready. Make sure that is nice and deep. So I will be sure to post a link to the seeds in the description, so that if you're into growing from seeds like myself, well, actually, this one is like 4. I could break this up. Yeah, what I'm ultimately looking for, well, not really. So I'm gonna just respect that it grew together, let it stay together, and experience the harvest together. All right, let's get another one. I'm telling you guys, once you get a nice little flow and rhythm, it's easy from there. Easy peasy. All right, so I have those in now. Arugula in, lettuce in, and I'll use this next inch. Whew, that one had a lot. This one has a lot, so I'm gonna break this one up because there is a lot of arugula growing from this one pot. Like, look at all of these stems. It's at least 6. So let me move it up. This is going down right here. Let's see if I break it down what'll happen. Let's see. Will it work with me? Whew. feel like I'm breaking up a happy home, and I don't like that at all. All right, so let's do half right here, half up here, and then I'll do some lettuce as well in this area. It's a little overflow section, which as you can see, they are very flimsy and stemmy, which is why I'm going to not use the water hose. I don't want to disrupt what's been going on. I'm sure there's better ways to do what I'm trying to do. So if you do know, let me know as well in the comment section. Yeah, that was a total bust. Oh man, this is all tangled together. It's an entanglement. Plant style. Look at this conundrum. All right, I was able to get it apart. Let's go ahead and open that up. Ooh, there's a beetle in there. All kind of organisms all in there together doing its part. I don't believe that was a harmful one. Just believe he just found a home. All right, so that's the raised beds, and let's do some buckets, and I'm gonna do some watering as well. So here we are doing our arugula in this 5-gallon bucket, and so I'll also add some cocoa coir to the mix just to help with moisture retention. I'm really excited about arugula because I know my lovely wife loves arugula. So it's always good when I get to do things and build things and grow things that gets me brownie points, okay? And this will be one of them. So with that mixed in, let's go ahead and plant the arugula. All right, great people, so just like that, we have planted both lettuce and arugula in our our raised beds, and then we also planted some arugula in the 5-gallon buckets, okay, which I'm excited about growing using the cocoa coir medium because it may be something that I use in future raised beds, okay? I say future raised beds because I have raised beds that are on the way, and I'm excited about where they're gonna go, okay? Therefore, where things will grow, okay? So make sure y'all stay tuned because obviously there's something new that I'm hinting to, talking about, and you want to be sure to be a part of it, okay? So with that being said, I love you all. See you on tomorrow for another pallet build, okay? Yeah, it's that time again. Let's go. Peace. I love you. Until next time. Be blessed.